In the last video we took a detailed look how to disassemble the new KQi Air electric scooter, how to take off the front panel and the bottom panel and what's on the inside. And in today's video I will focus more on the electronic horn under the front panel and how to clean this area under the front membrane. In case you notice the performance of your horn has decreased quite a bit. That can happen when the front cavity is filled with dirt, and especially when you ride in wet conditions and the dirt that accumulates under this cover gets wet. That can create a barrier between the horn and the outside, and it can muffle the sound of the horn. So once again we will start by taking off the front panel. There are 4 Phillips number 2 screws over here, and I will show you how to carefully clean the area, and in case it's damaged you need to fix it to prevent any water and dirt getting into this front compartment. Okay, let's get started by removing the smaller plastic front panel that is held in place by 4 Phillips number 2 screws. Okay, so this is what the screw looks like. And now let's try to slowly lift this panel up. Here is the cover. The only thing that I'm a bit concerned about is over here. There seems to be a bit of dirt starting to come in, and this membrane is not looking the best. If you peel this a little bit, you can see there is a lot of dirt in there. So I think I will try to scoop at least some of it off. The glue on this part of it is pretty strong, so and only this part has gotten loose. So I will try to carefully take out some of the dirt that's been accumulated in there. This, well, this should have been done maybe a bit differently. I don't really like the way it's done, so that dirt from the front tire shoots directly through this grill here and well accumulates behind this, but there is no way to easily clean it without potentially destroying this membrane. Okay, let's try to carefully clean some of this out. That's a lot of dirt in there. It's very fragile, so it's well, this is probably not the right tool to do it because it's very easy to damage it. I really don't like this design of this membrane. that's basically dirt magnet in there, and there is no way to avoid it because all the dirt from the road shoots onto this plate. So a better design would be to make this sort of removable, and so you can wash the membrane and then put it back on. But well, this is not ideal because, as you can see on this part, there was already so much dirt on there that it was pushing through the double-sided tape that is holding it on. And maybe I should put a bit of duct tape around this part where it's pushing off so it doesn't let in water. I mean, the last resort is to just block it off completely and use a standard bell, because you might not hear the electric horn very well if you cover this off completely. That's probably why there is like a paper membrane here. Not the best solution. Okay, I will need to figure something out before putting it back on, so I will be back with you when I do that. Okay, I cleaned it up the best I could. The problem is that in the areas where the dirt was pushing through, it's not sticky anymore. So I had the white duct tape and I used the lid from a drink bottle and tried to cut this sort of thing that I plan to stick on this, and then hopefully it will stick to the sides. Not sure if it will work, but let's give it a try, because this definitely has to be sealed, otherwise water and dirt will get into the scooter. So okay, let me just get rid of this. Okay, let's, well, the hole on the inside could be a little bit bigger. Let's see if I can enlarge it. Well, actually it's, oh, let's see. This is about 2.2 centimeters diameter. This one is, oh, it's about the same. Oh, let's just give it a try. Oh, I guess we can't screw it more than it already is. Let's try to stick the sides. It's not holding on this part here, so I might have to get a bit more duct tape there. Okay, I will put one more piece over here and hopefully it will hold, but I will try to contact NIU and see if they have a better solution, or maybe they can provide the replacement membranes, because that seems like a consumable part that will eventually fail. Well, no idea if this will work, but at least it's holding better than it did before, so okay, now let's try to put the panel back on. I have cleaned off all the dirt from the membrane, put some duct tape over the bits that were not holding on very well. And now we just need to put it back on, make sure the gasket is seated properly, all the cables are seated properly in the gaskets, and the cover just goes on. Take the screws and screw it back on. Since these screws are going into plastic threads, be careful not to tighten them too much or you might break the plastic. So first put all of them in. Make sure you did not squash the cable. Okay, now that we have the cover back on, that's it for cleaning and fixing the issues with the front horn. And also don't clean the small holes from the outside, because if you poke something through these holes, you will damage the barrier that is stopping the dirt and water getting into this compartment. So if you are cleaning this area, only wipe it clean from the outside, but don't try to clean the small holes from the outside. If you have any questions about this process, leave a comment down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.